You guys, we just got back from the supermarket, from the vegetable supermarket. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA.
Not in JA. We are not in Jamaica. We are in France.
It's just the saying, it doesn't mean that we're in JA. You guys, I am up and getting myself and Tyler ready.
Mama, you're too crazy. You're a crazy girl.
I'm getting Tyler ready for school and I'm getting ready for...
What you're saying,
Oh man!
Mama?
Give me your foot. I'm getting ready
You sound
for...
like you are crazy.
Okay, finish down talking. Stop! So I can get your dress. 1. Did you hear I said to not let me count? What did I tell you last night? Don't let me start counting. When I say something, you do it.
Okay.
I'm getting Tyler ready to the school run because I have to come back and work out. Come give me other food. And I'm also going to pick up Sarah and feed her because Sarah does school run with me in the mornings. Fresh ears just for my girl. So that's what's going on right now. I need to go make my green juice so I can get going. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and stay encouraged throughout your day with whatever it is that you're doing today, whether you have to stay at home and work because of this coronavirus, whether you have to go out to school or work. Stay safe, wear your mask, sanitize, wash your hands, do what you gotta do to be okay.
I want to say something to Face.
So you say, excuse me, Mama, I want to say something to Face.
I want to say something to Face.
Yes, Dad?
Every time when you go out to go somewhere, you take your mask and remember to wash your hands before to go.
Did you say good morning to the face? No, you did not. Can you say good morning?
Good morning, Face.
Right.
They can see my little head.
To pack Tyler snack for school and then go pick up my baby girl.
Mama wants to tell you something.
What?
Every time I'm at school and not something's there,
You want Happy Biscuit or Prince?
Happy.
But you know the Happy Biscuit is the chocolate, okay? And not the duo.
Okay.
So you want Comfort, chocolate, Happy Biscuit and donut?
No juice.
So only those 3?
Yes. Like that I can eat faster than I always.
Okay, so you only want Comfort, Happy Biscuit and juice. Just these.
Yes.
Alright.
Every time my son see in my goodie, he say, "Wow, c'est beaucoup." Every time. Every time I open it, he see that.
Okay. Let's go find the princess. Hi, good morning. Good Good morning, princess. Good morning. Good morning, mama. Time for your bottle. Let's go. Butter? Butter time. Yay. It's butter time. Hello. Hello. Time for butter? Yes. Hold it. Good girl. No. She hates holding her bottle. But she hold it for 2 minutes and then she just give it right back to me. This girl hates holding this bottle, man. Because she loves to pinch me or feel my fingers while she feeds. Tyler used to be the very same.
Don't touch my cup with her tooth.
Well, get up and don't let she get to reach your face. Get up and put on your bag. Tell Faves bye-bye.
Later.
Have a good day. And you're going to?
School.
What you're going to do when you're in school?
Listen.
Listen and be strong. Be brave. Right?
And eat fast.
And eat up fast at canteen.
Every time I'm at school and I'm eating at canteen, I always finish.
Very good. You're going to have a good day, okay? Go tell Papa bye-bye. And look who's ready. Once she see me strap on the strap, she knows it's time to go. Come, princess, let's go. With her toothbrush. Ready? Come. Come. She's so adorable. Hey, come on, let's go. Baby's getting his workout in for today. On his lunch break. Go, babe. I'm so proud of you. I'm so tired from workout this morning, you guys. I am just breathing a bit. Normally I would try and get some stuff done between workout and start taking a nap, but I decided to just sit and work a bit. I mean, no up and down. So baby's working out right now, and I'm doing some work on the computer. Then Sarah is gonna wake up from her nap and I have to feed her lunch because it's midday. Oh, I'm tired, but the workout is all worth the tiredness. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys head over to Body After Baby, my workout channel, to work out with me. Follow along with me, workout. Something is there for everyone, trust me. So don't worry. You're dying. You'll be alright. So why you holding your head like that? Come on, let's go. Come on. That's it. Looking good. Abs coming, babe. Abs coming. Hear me struggling. Come on, let's go. I'm saying go, 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 and I'm not doing anything. That's it. You burn, killing, you go, man. You're doing good. Come on, let's go. Next, next. Well done. Salad that you can do for your lunch or for dinner. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick and easy video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me how you like it. Subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Jump out the house real quick to go to the fruits and vegetable supermarket to get our goodies for the week. So that's where we're heading right now. With my girl in the back, missing her brother, of course. She lonely around there. Missing Ty. You have say morning, honey. Say morning. Morning, morning. It's a hot day. It is so hot outside. I'm burning up. So the change up in our supermarket in here looks so different yet so neat. Go. I don't see the string bean. Look if it's the string bean over there. Look if it's the string bean there. You see it? No? They put new shelves and in here change up. All these shelves weren't here. That's good. All these shelves are new, more space. I wanted to get green banana, but these look like they're gonna ripe any minute. I'm gonna get some anyway. A green plantain. I've been feeling for green plantain. Maybe I take a few and fry them. You guys, look at busy. You know what this is, babe? Busy. We call it busy. We use it to make tea. We use it as medicine for dogs. Oh my God! Plum! Where's the price? June plum. Yes. Then 2 tea, then can't keep it. June plum, you guys. But that's okay. Alright, Sarah, let's go. Let's go. Hello. Hello. Didi. Mama. You guys, we just got back from the supermarket, from the vegetable supermarket.
Hi guys! Why you look at me like this?
Because I can, you're mine. Look at him blushing. You're not mine?
No.
What do you mean no?
I said only on the weekend.
So only on the weekend I'm allowed to look at you like that?
Yes! Which day are we? We are not the weekend.
You stupid. You're a fool. He told to have to.
Hey guys, we just come back from the supermarket. So what's next? We're gonna show you what we got.
Yeah.
Yeah. What special you got?
Nothing.
Nothing. A green banana. That's not nothing. That's green banana. Yesterday or the day before, she said she's starving. She wanted a green banana.
So I'm starving. Don't hold it onto your clothes. You'll mess up your shirt. Did I say I'm starving?
Wait. Yes, she said that. I want green banana. I
said I haven't had green banana in a long time. I'm gonna see if I get green banana. However, I like to buy the green banana when they're skinny. I think when they're skinny, then they're young, they're not full, close to ripe, are the best green bananas. And these kind of close to ripe, but I take a few of those youngest ones that they have.
What else you got?
Sugar.
Zucchini? No. Zucchini. We got zucchini. We get 2 zucchini. What else we get? We got some green plantain.
Because also green pressed plantain has been on my mind. So I think I'm gonna cook some with tin mackerel.
And if you wonder how to fry green plantain,
tell them where to go, babe.
go on Mel's Kitchen.
Yes. Almost have 1 million views on my how to fry green pressed plantain. So you know my technique is bomb. Just like every other Jamaican. We fry it different. Some people fry it the same. It's just a simple video, but people like it, I guess.
We have
cabbage.
Cabbage.
Because I think I want to cook
yeah.
some. I think that's okay. I think I want to cook some cabbage and saltfish one of these days.
And we have avocado, tropical avocado, that's what they call when it's big.
I think it comes from French Guyana.
Most of the time it coming from Brazil.
Oh, it comes from Brazil. Brazilian fruit export.
Yeah, I didn't even look, I just know. I just know.
Oh, you know that?
I just know avocado Brazil, avocado Brazil.
Why you associate avocado
Brazil.
Brazil? No, seriously.
No, it's just I see in the supermarkets. I used to see Brazil flag. We have some kiwi. Kiwi come from most of the time New Zealand because it's gold kiwi.
Oh, let me see.
You know, with maybe this.
Yes, it has the tag. Let me see if you're
It doesn't mean they're all coming from there. That means that in the supermarket they import from there.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. I told you.
So what? I just pick up things and don't read, and you read and don't pick up.
You pick up things. I don't even. We have zucchini again.
But it's a zoodle.
Yeah, it's for the lazy people. We are lazy people. What else do
I like that type, but I don't have the
here? We have
machine,
banana.
This is how skinny I wanted the green banana, but
And where it
they
coming
only
from?
have them ripe. Where you think it's coming from?
I really don't know. I know the little one there, most of the time they're coming from Cameroon. So, I don't know.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire, not too far from Cameroon.
Ivory Coast. Cote d'Ivoire is Ivory Coast in English.
We have a 2 cucumber. You change. You're coming from everything 3 to everything 2.
No, it's because I have some in the fridge.
Okay.
It's because I have some in the fridge where I only take 2.
Celery.
So we have it in my face like this.
It's like the pastor in the church.
You bless me.
I bless you. I bless you with celery.
Suppose the insect fall out on me.
We have well, it's best the insect falling out of you now than you cook the insects, so you should be thankful. We have onions, guys. We have some carrots makes you nice. That's what they say in French. That's a French expression. Carrots, it makes you nice.
What else we have?
do we have? We have pumpkin,
Squash.
This is the Halloween season about to start soon. In 1 month, we start to have pumpkin in the
I'm
supermarket,
gonna make food for Sarah.
and we have sweet potatoes by 2 again.
Cause I have one.
Oh. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was just a little bit, so we just went, come back, and we have enough for the week. Do you have anything to add?
No, Sarah is taking a nap, but I'm
Sarah
gonna
is
go pack
taking
up
a
this
nap.
thing. Well, baby need to take his butt back to work.
Let's go.
Look who is home. Who's home? You're home. You're home. Ready for dinner? His eyelashes keep stucking up here. You're so funny. Sit properly, please. I soon full your bottle. Sit.
Hello. I'm in Wagwan. What you're doing?
You ask your babes what they're doing?
Yes.
They'll tell you in the comment section, but you won't hear the reply right now. Guess what Mama make for dinner for you?
I see that. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese.
And
Chicken.
chicken. Sit properly. You happy?
Yes.
You love macaroni and cheese, huh?
Yes. Does
Yes.
he love macaroni and cheese?
No, one more remains.
One more.
Yes, so when that box finishes, Papa gonna have to go back to the place to buy more.
That means auntie.
It's dinner time for Tyler. Tyler is home from school, and you all know that Sarah eats out of everybody pot before it's her dinner time. So let me show you Princess right now. Can you guess what she's eating? Macaroni and cheese. Little foodie. Little foodie. She killing that. Kill that, mama. Kill that, mama. Look at her. Sarah, it's yummy? Mmm. Yummy. My little foodie. What you just said?
The chicken
The chicken smell
smell nice.
nice. He said, wow, mama. Say what? He said, chicken smell nice. Alright, and for Babe and I didn't cook because we have Sunday, Monday. So we are gonna eat what we had for dinner yesterday, minus the rice. We're gonna have some sweet potatoes and veggies. So it's dinner time around here, honey. Okay, you guys, so there goes Sunday, Monday for today, and I'm ready to grub right now. Who else ready?